Experiencing no service after activating Visible can be frustrating, but it's often resolvable with a few key steps. Visible, operating on Verizon's network, may show no service due to initial activation delays, incorrect APN settings, weak signal strength, or network congestion. Common causes include initial activation delays, incorrect APN settings, weak signal strength, and network congestion. Start by ensuring your SIM card is properly inserted and compatible with your device, nano, micro, or standard. Then, perform a simple signal check by looking at the signal bars on your phone. A consistently weak or absent signal is a primary indicator. Following this, the quickest fix is often a tower reset. This forces your phone to reconnect to the nearest cell tower. You can do this by toggling airplane mode on and off. Give your phone a minute or two to reconnect to the network after disabling airplane mode. This process can resolve many temporary connection issues. If a tower reset doesn't restore service, the next step is to check and reset your APN settings. APN configures how your phone connects to Visible's data network. Ensure APN is set to Verizon Standard, VZ Winternet. Incorrect APN can cause data issues mimicking no service. To check APN, consult your phone manual or Visible support. Process varies by OS. For Android, go to Mobile Network Settings. For iOS, access Cellular Data Settings and Settings app. If issues persist, contact Visible support. As of October 2025, support response times are enhanced. Be aware Visible users may experience deprioritization on Verizon network during peak hours, leading to temporary no service in congested areas.